Have you ever dreamed of creating a book that sells on Amazon without writing a single word? Imagine publishing your own puzzle book, reaching thousands of buyers, and earning royalties again and again. Sounds exciting, right? Today I am going to show you a powerful tool that makes this possible in minutes. Puzzle Book Maker Sudoku Generator. Puzzle books are one of the fastest growing categories on Amazon. Millions of people around the world love solving Sudoku puzzles every day. From students to seniors, Sudoku keeps the brain active and entertained. That is exactly why Amazon's self-publishing platform Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP, is filled with puzzle books that sell consistently. But here is the problem. Creating a Sudoku book manually is incredibly time-consuming. You would need to design puzzles, format pages, create solution sections, and make sure everything fits the publishing guidelines. For most beginners, this process can take days or even weeks. That is where Puzzle Book Maker Sudoku Generator completely changes the game. This smart software automatically generates professional Sudoku puzzle books with just a few clicks. Instead of spending hours designing puzzles, the software does everything for you. In fact, you can create a full Sudoku book in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 5 minutes. With this tool, you can generate hundreds of unique Sudoku puzzles instantly. You can choose different difficulty levels, puzzle sizes, and styles to match the type of book you want to publish. Whether it is an easy Sudoku book for beginners or a challenging puzzle book for experts, the software handles it effortlessly. Another amazing feature is that the software automatically formats your entire book. It creates puzzle pages, solution pages, page numbers, instructions, and the correct layout needed for publishing. Once everything is ready, you simply export a print-ready PDF that can be uploaded directly to Kindle Direct Publishing. That means you can publish your own puzzle book on Amazon without worrying about complicated formatting or technical details. Think about the possibilities. One puzzle book can be created in minutes. But you are not limited to just one. You can generate multiple books with different themes, difficulty levels, and puzzle counts. Each book becomes a new opportunity to earn royalties whenever someone buys it. Many successful self-publishers use this exact strategy. They create several puzzle books and build a small library of content on Kindle Direct Publishing. Over time, those books can generate passive income month after month. Another great thing about Puzzle Book Maker Sudoku Generator is that it is beginner-friendly. You do not need design skills, coding knowledge, or publishing experience. The software was built specifically for people who want a simple way to enter the puzzle book market. Just install the software, select your settings, generate puzzles, and export your finished book. That is it. And because Sudoku is a timeless game loved by millions, puzzle books continue to sell year after year. People buy them for entertainment, travel, relaxation, and even brain training. This creates a steady demand that many publishers are already benefiting from. If you have been looking for a simple side hustle, or if you want to start your journey in self-publishing, this tool can make the process dramatically easier. Instead of struggling with complicated software or spending hours creating puzzles, you can focus on publishing more books and reaching more readers. So if the idea of creating your own puzzle books and selling them on Amazon excites you, then Puzzle Book Maker Sudoku Generator is definitely worth checking out. It is fast, beginner-friendly, and designed specifically for people who want to turn simple puzzle books into a real publishing opportunity. Start creating your first Sudoku book today, and who knows? Your next puzzle book might be the one that starts generating royalties for you around the world.